Another interesting tool in a moho in a window is character wizard. It's actually 2D character creator. It's limited, but you can create your own character. If you want to work in animation, you can use them. From the preset, you can create a boy, creative things, or mannequin. For example, we begin from the boy. As you can see, you can change the whole body, face, animations, glossing, the colors. For body, as you can see, you can increase or decrease this slider to create your own torso height, length of length, head height, belly. You can change the arms. You can change the shoulders. You can change the arm muscles. You can choose different simple hand. Interesting. For a leg, you can change them. You can change lengths. You can change the muscles. You can change the foot. You can change the feet if you want. Any of them, you can create them. It's limited, but you can do it. And from this window, you can see in a different angle. And interesting part, export all view. It automatically export all of the views for you that I explained it. For example, you create it from this angle if you want. Then you can go to this face. You can change the different head for that. Any different head do you want? You can in some of the settings in which preset do you selected is turning it's turned off. You can change the eyes. Nice. You can change the spacing in between them. You can change the whole face horizontal or vertical here. You can change the mouth, noise, and the head. In the crown, for example, is something that you want to add it. Any accessories that you want to. Then you can, interesting part is in the movement, you can, you have a walk, this software export all of them, jump, that it's stored in action, and I explained that. You can recall it in a timeline and animate them. For example, you can change the kick, you can change the wave. For example, for walk, you can change the per step. You can step distance. You can change the height of the walking. You can change the arm swing more. Nice. Torso bend. This bending. You can change them. You can change the pants or shirt colors or anything that you want. You can change the style, skin color, hair color, or anything that you want. Or you can randomize the line fits of that. Scale compensation, it's corresponding scaling the strokes when you increase or decrease the scale of your whole object. And that's it. You can randomly create something random. You can create an interesting random things with that. Or, for example, creating. Or mannequin. Different mannequin. Okay, cancel it. Unfortunately, we don't have any reset button here. Okay, insert it, bits, export all of these. Nice. And as you can see, it comes here with a lot of action. Walk, jump, kick, wave. Okay, this is our, as you can see, it's inserted as a switch. You can come here in a window, switch selection. As you can see, you can switch in which angle that you want. Interesting. And you can see it on a viewport. For example, I keep the switch here. I want to start walking. I have to call the walk action. And as you can see, this is a boy switch. I go to the action. All of the actions are in active front. If you select that, I explained it. For example, if you want to switch, you have to select that. Select the front, and then I want to call the walk. As I said before, insert reference. As you can see, it's walk. And walk to the end. For example, in here, I want to call jump. Please jump. And after the walking, it will jump. Boom. And then stop. Or after jump, I want to this object turn in this direction, for example. Go to the switch it in this direction. And done. And then we can come to the first. As you can see, it's walking, then jumping, then switching in this direction. Then go to the front. You're in the front, and for example, I want to wave. Call wave. Sorry for that. Yeah, it's waving in this direction because in the front, we don't have a front switch in this mode. The front is in this mode. The red, it means, okay, the front mode, it's not exist in this area. You can count from the beginning, as you can see. And you can come to the boy animation. And again, it's walking, then jumping, then this switching, and then bye-bye. Interesting. So you learned it before with the actions, how to create the action, how to call them, how to use switch, and that's it. You can explore and try yourself. And if this character is very nice, if you want to create a and you want to try animation. Okay, as you can see, it's a switch. If you want to add a switch, you can also right click, and for example, if you want to switch back, as you can see, turn back from this direction, switch turn back. As you can see, it's turn the front off and turn the back on. And if you select that, as you can see, it tells, okay, the back switching are activating from there to the other timelines. From this frame to before that, it's off. And it's red. It means the front mode was active. Okay, let's then switch the timeline. Okay, that's it. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.